Alright guys, let's take a look at this question here. It says a salesperson makes a base salary of $20,000 a year plus a 2% commission on the total sales for the year. The yearly salary can be expressed as a linear equation, y equals 20,000 plus 0.02x, where y represents the yearly salary and x represents the total yearly sales. And then the first question is, what is the salesperson's salary for a year in which his sales total $500,000? Alright, so this is a lot of verbiage, and this is something that you have to look out for when you see questions like this, which is essentially understanding what is relevant. So the only thing that I think that is truly relevant in this problem is that you have this equation 20,000 plus 0.02x, where y is the yearly salary and x is the total yearly sales. They give you a lot of extra stuff here, but that's essentially all that you need to know to solve the problem. The question is specifically asking, what is the salesperson's salary for a year in which his sales total 500,000? So what you have to ask yourself is, does the 500,000 represent the yearly salary, or does it remember the total yearly sales? And what compounds the issue is they both say yearly. So the real key is looking at this question asking, what's significant about y? Y is the salary and x is the sales. So when they say, what is the person's salary, we know salary is the y value. So that means 500,000 has to represent the x value. So all you have to do is substitute into this equation 20,000 plus 0.02 times $500,000, and we just solve this. So, and this is actually pretty simple to solve. You don't really need a calculator to do this. We know that if I jump 2 places to make this into a whole number, then this is 2 over 100. This is being multiplied by 500,000. And what we can do now is take away 2 zeros. 2 times 5 is 10, and then I'm left with 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we have 20,000 times 10,000, which gives me 30,000. And there's our answer. The next question says, what is the salesperson's salary for a year in which his sales total 300,000? So again, it's essentially the same question, right? So we're just going to use the same equation, which was 20,000 plus 0.02, and now we're going to put in 300,000. Same thing. It's 2 over 100 times 300,000 plus 20,000. And the same thing is going to occur. These are going to cancel out. 2 times 3 is 6. You have 1, 2, 3 zeros still. 1, 2, 3. And then you have the 20,000. And so now when I solve this, I get 26,000. And there's my answer. The last part says, what does the y-intercept mean in the context of the problem? So the y-intercept, if we look at let me clear this. If we look at the equation, the y-intercept is 20,000. And what 20,000 represents is what you start off with, right? So no matter what, even if you just sit at your job and you sleep all day at your desk, you're still going to make 20,000 for the year. And so this, what does it mean? That 20,000, it means that for $0 in sales, the salary is 20,000, right? I had to read the question and make sure I understood what it was saying, how they were representing it. Last part, why is it unreasonable to use negative values of x in this equation? It doesn't make sense to have negative values, because if it was negative, that would mean that you're owing the job money. And if you have a job like that, it's not a good job. In any case, there you have it. I think, again, the biggest part is making sure you understand that y represents the salary rather, and x represents the sales. And once you see that, it's pretty straightforward. All right, so let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.